कनेक्ट दीज टू. पहले इसको पढ़ो, एक को क्या है स्पिरिट. अब इसको पढ़ो तो ये क्या बोलता है, माइनस स्पिरिट इट इज रिचुअलिटी. Today it is not spirituality which you are practicing, you are practicing rituality, and rituality is connected with the, देख लीजिए आप, you go to the temple for what? For the body. मॉस्क जाते हो, चर्च जाते हो, किस लिए जाते हो? सारे you keep different type of fast and all that, for what? For the बॉडी. स्पिरिट को तो जानते ही नहीं आप, उसके बारे तो आपको पता नहीं कुछ भी. You do not know anything. You are actually zero. That's why so much of you, we have discussions. When I was also young, I used to basically, बच्चा था जब मैं भी, अरे क्यों पूजा पाठ करनी, अमेरिकन थोड़ी करते हैं, मंगलवार का व्रत थोड़ी रखते हैं, बिल गेट्स ने तो कभी नहीं रखा है, फिर मैं क्यों करूं? Why should I? That's what the questions were asked to us when we used to go into IITs. अरे यार क्या बता रहे हो तुम ये फालतू, उसने कौन सा ये सब किया था. हम कहते थे हम ये इसकी बात करने ही नहीं आए. We are not talking about these things. This is not what we are talking about. This you can get anywhere because it's connected with the body. We are talking of something else. We are talking of the missing knowledge, that missing link to happiness. हम लोग सुख सुविधा की बात करते हैं ना प्रभु जी, सुविधाएं तो बढ़ गई परंतु सुख नहीं बढ़ा. आज देयर इज नो डर्थ ऑफ सुविधास बट देयर इज डर्थ ऑफ सुख. व्हाट इज दैट मिसिंग लिंक? एंड दैट मिसिंग लिंक इज द स्पिरिचुअलिटी, द स्टडी ऑफ द स्पिरिट. So this is what we are going to discuss, and this is actually, once you understand this is the cause, rest all what you are talking about is symptoms. This knowledge missing, you can increase your comforts to any level, but happiness will evade you, because happiness is a symptom of life, not of body. It's not of the body. बड़ी अजीब है ये. So the Vedas which we are talking about, Vedas mean knowledge, and knowledge is not Hindu, Muslim or Christian. First of all, remember one thing. Making a very strong statement which I'll try to will prove to you, there is no religion by the name of Hindu. There is no religion by the name of Hindu, first of all. There is no religion. If someone says he's a Hindu, ask him, give me one book in which the word Hindu is mentioned, or one of your books where you say Hindu is written. Nor Bhagavad Gita, nor the Vedas, anywhere this word is mentioned. This word is not there. This word actually was coined more than 500 years back by people living on the other side of Sindhu river, because in Farsi the word sir is not there. So they called the people living on the other side of Sindhu as Hindus. It is just like an Indian. Indian in India, if you say someone is an Indian, that includes a Hindu, Muslim, Christian, everyone. Actually, Hindu is a geographical term. Hindu is a geographical term. It's got nothing to do with anything. So-called, it's got nothing. It is not any religion. Bodily religion भी नहीं है. बाकी बात तो आप छोड़ो. So now this study of life, that's what we're going to talk for the next, today for some time and next 3 days. I'll try to explain to you in a gist that what it is. Self-study then becomes a very integral part, which mostly we avoid when we have problems. And remember one thing, you learn to use a weapon not during war but during peace. Right or wrong? An army is trained during war or during peace time? Peace time. So you train yourself to go through problems when there are no problems. You don't learn to go through problems when you are in a problem. And with us, the biggest problem is this, that we want to solve problems when we are in problems. Before that, we never take any step how to, first of all, avoid the problem. Precaution is better than cure. We go into it when we come into it, oh, problem phas gaye ab to. So coming to next, understanding this point, that spirituality, what actually means. Without spirit, everything is rituality, and rituality means not knowing what you're doing, just doing it because you're ठीक है यार, अच्छा लगता है, बहुत चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हैं. A diabetic enjoys eating sweets, and a person with heart problem enjoys eating puri. बड़ा कॉमन चीज़ है ये. So rituality भी इसी तरीके से है. So I've come to one point with you, that first, body and life, these are the two types of knowledge. Repeat it once more because this is very important. Knowledge, one is of the body, and other is, now I'll write, other is of the spirit. ठीक है जी? और life. Now in spirituality, now I'll come to some Sanskrit words. Body means bhautik. भौतिक भौतिक करते हैं, and spirituality means आध्यात्मिक. These are two words. This is the study of dead matter, and this is the study of life. Body is dead matter. The moment life leaves the body, what happens? Dead matter. Everything is there, the eyes are there, the nose is there, the ears are there, everything is there, all the organs are there, but they are dead. So now when I use these words, bhautik actually means the study of dead matter, adhyatma means study of life. This is how it has been defined. This knowledge, I don't need talking to you, you may be knowing more than me. There are so many colleges, universities which are talking about this knowledge. Just for your information, there is a university in New Jersey, United States, established in 1856, a Christian university, wanted to introduce some spiritual book into their curriculum, that all the students will have to study something. They went into research for the last 8 years, have come down to the conclusion that only one book which does not make anyone fanatic is Bhagavad Gita, and they have a Christian university behind it. Established in 1856, has introduced Bhagavad Gita as a compulsory study in their university. Why I have taken this name now? Because I'll be dealing. See, the Vedas are elaborate study of body and spirit. Very elaborate study. There is nothing, everything from economics, अर्थशास्त्र की किताबें हैं कौटिल्य द्वारा. There are books of any science you name, but one thing is there, almost 94% of them are lost. 94% of the Vedas are lost, only 6% are available. वो भी जानबूझ के किया. There is some reason behind it, because we don't have time to read 6%. What are you going to read 100%? And when you have too much of knowledge, you need a teacher to tell you that how to basically see that everything, the whole jigsaw puzzle fixes. बच्चे को आप कितना जिक्सॉ पजल देते हैं, इसमें 6-7 ही होते हैं, है ना जी? अगर आपने 1000 वाला दे दिया उसको तो क्या करेगा वो? It will be very difficult for him to place them. So we are actually in this age, we are not very intelligent. I'll tell you how. But that is why 96% are lost, 94% are lost, 6% are available. उसमें भी हमें प्रॉब्लम है. उसके भी टीचर्स नहीं है. उसके भी टीचर्स नहीं है. See, every science has got its own teachers or not. Immediately when a person says I am a professor, immediately आप क्या पूछते हो? कौन से सब्जेक्ट में? Right? प्रोफेसर बोलने का मतलब ये थोड़ी कि सारा को जानता हो, सब कुछ जानता होगा. अच्छा हाँ, लाइक दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम होती है डॉक्टर के अंदर. जब डॉक्टर लगाते हैं पीएचडी वाले भी, तो ये आगे जा देखना मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, वो डॉक्टर नहीं हो. क्या कहता है एकदम, मैं वो डॉक्टर नहीं. लाइक आई गो टू दिल्ली एवरी सैटरडे संडे, आई एम इन दिल्ली गिविंग लेक्चर्स. सो वहाँ एक हमारे एक रेगुलर क्लास होती है, तो वहाँ एक पहले शुरू में एक डॉक्टर आए, तो उनसे यही बात हुई, अच्छा आप मेडिकल डॉक्टर बोलते? नो नो, आई एम एक्चुअली आई एम अ डॉक्टरेट इन IT फ्रॉम IIT. So I am not a medical doctor, but he is a doctor. लिखता डॉक्टर South Indian Dr. Govind. He said no, I have done my doctorate from IIT in information technology. तो एकदम डॉक्टर शब्द में भी ऐसा होता है, you basically have to specify.